In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Gantt chart inside of Wrike. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and search for the Wrike official URL, which is wrike.com. From here, you'll need to log into your account. And when you're logged in, you'll see this page right here when you're inside of your project. From here, you need to create a Gantt chart. And to do that, you need to go down to your project and then up to this add view up here, and then go down to Gantt chart. From here, you can select the name for it, and you can share it with either anyone with public access or only me. Then from here, you can need to create, and then from here, your Gantt chart will be visible. And as you can see here, you can create a new task over here by clicking on item, and then you can add a name. You can add the start dates, and you can create a due date and the processor over here, and then it'll be visible over here in the preview. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!